Hello everyone, welcome to Take Home. Today I'm talking about new Deepin AI project. The project name is OpenLedger. You can find all their information on their website. If you scroll down, you can also see the project backers on their website. The backers of the project include Polygon, Husky Capital, and others. If we visit their Twitter accounts, they also mention that the project is backed by Polygon, Husky Capital, and others. The project in its very early phase, so you must join this project. Now let's take a look at their funding. They have raised a total of $8 million funding with lead investor including Polygon, Husky Capital, and Borderless, and there are also others investor in here. I will provide the joining link in my description. After creating an account, you will directed to their dashboard. If 1 is currently running, you can view your total point and today's earning. Here you can see their Windows app, Android APK, and Chrome extension. Download the Chrome extension and log in to your account. You can view the points. For Windows, you need to download two files, Docker and OpenLedger. I will explain this process in another video. You can also earn points by engaging here. To do so, connect your Twitter and Discord accounts and like or tweet from certain Twitter account or join specific Discord channels. If this video was helpful to you, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and for more updates on new Deepin project, join my Telegram channel as well.